At the end of this video, you will be able to make around 3.8 USDT every single 24 hours. So what you just have to do is, one, click the like button of this video in exchange of the value you are about to get into this video. And the second thing you need to do is to join this beautiful family by clicking on that subscribe button. Yes, click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification beside the subscribe button. What the bell notification does is to always notify you anytime we upload awesome content just like this one you are watching. I recently created a new WhatsApp group and a Telegram channel, and what I do in this WhatsApp group and Telegram channel is to update strategies, various ways, methods you can be able to make a whole lot of money online for yourself. So if you want to join us in this community, do where to use the link I'll be leaving in the description of this video and also in the comment section. Click on the link and join the WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. Once we get up to 100 persons there, we are not going to wait for any single person. We are going to start up as soon as possible. So I'm going to take us through some steps so we'll be able to get started using this platform that is going to be paying us at least 3.8 USDT every single 24 hours. So I'm going to take us through the registration aspect, what you need to do in order to earn 3.8 USDT or more every single 24 hours, and also last to show you how you can be able to withdraw your earnings. Right, one thing is making money online, another thing is being able to withdraw your earnings online. Right now, with all this being said, let's jump straight into the video. Before going ahead to this video, I want you to remember to click the like button of this video and join this family by smashing that subscribe button. I'm sure you've done that already. Good job. So let's get started, guys. So guys, in order to get started using this platform, first thing you have to do is to use the link I'm going to leave in the description of this video or in the comment section. Click on the link and it will bring you over to this interface, which is for you to be able to register. Right now, these are the things you need to type in, or the information you'll be needing in order to get registered. You have to type in your email address here, type in your password, and then type in the code you are going to be seeing on the screen right now. The registration aspect of this is very simple. Then the next thing you are going to do is to click on sign up, and you are done with the registration. So guys, once you are done with the registration and you have logged in, this is the interface you are going to see. You're going to see a pop-up message briefing you about the platform, and when you scroll down, you're going to see some different packages that the platform has. Right, the packages you can be able to activate in order to earn at least 3.8 USDT every single 24 hours. Now when you look over here, you will see that they have VIP 1. all right, so for you to be able to activate this VIP 1, you will be needing at least a minimum of 15 USDT in order to activate the VIP 1, and every 24 hours you are going to be getting 3.8 USDT. Now in order to activate the VIP 2, you'll be needing total of 35 USDT in order to activate the VIP 2, and every single 24 hours you will be getting the sum of 8.8 USDT every single 24 hours. Now to also activate the VIP 3, you will be needing 90 USDT, and every 24 hours you will be getting 22.5 USDT. The VIP 4, you can also activate that using 200 USDT, and every 24 hours you will be getting 51.5 USDT. The same thing is applicable to VIP 5. You can use 400 USDT to activate it. Every 24 hours you can be getting 106 USDT, and so on and so forth. Now to activate this plan, you need to recharge your account. Right, and you need to click over here in order to recharge your account. When you look over here, you will see recharge, you will see withdraw, you will see app, you will see company profile, but I'm going to take us through how you can be able to recharge your account in order to activate any plan of your choice, or rather any VIP of your choice. So you have to click on the recharge, then you're going to see different coins you can be able to use in order to recharge your account. We have TRC20, which is USDT, right? TRC20, we have TRX, we have BEP20 USDT, BNB, and the rest of them. Right now, for the sake of this video, we'll be making use of TRC20 USDT. So once you click on that, it's going to generate a wallet address. So you have to go ahead and click over here in order to copy the USDT wallet address. So once you've copied the USDT wallet address, I want you to move over to your Trust Wallet, Bybit, Binance, or any platform you can be able to transact crypto. So once you get to the platform, I want you to send the amount you would want to use in order to activate any single or any particular plan or VIP of your choice. Let's use the VIP one for example. In order to activate VIP one, you'll be needing the sum of 15 USDT to activate VIP one. So head over to your Binance, head over to your Trust Wallet, head over to your Bybit, then transfer 15 USDT using this wallet address, and within seconds your account will be credited with 15 USDT, and that particular VIP is going to be activated, right? So once we are done activating your plan, you need to click over here in order to perform task. All right, yes, you need to click over here in order to perform tasks. Yes, you don't just sit or fold hands and then be earning the 3.8 USDT, right? So once you click on task, if there's any task available, you are going to be seeing it right here. The only thing you need to do is just to click on the task, and then it will load, and then you are going to be credited at least 3.8 USDT. Now in order to withdraw your earnings, what you have to do is to click over here that says me, right? So once you click on me, it will bring you over to this interface. Now when you look over here, you will see I have 15 USDT. That is the amount I was able to use to activate the VIP one. One thing with this platform is that once you register, they are going to give you $50. All right, $50. So once you add the $50 plus the 15 USDT that I've also recharged, that is the reason why you are seeing the total of 55 USDT. Now let's say you want to make a withdrawal, you have to click over here that said withdraw. All right, so once you click on withdraw, it will bring you over to this interface. Now you will be seeing your withdrawable balance here. Because I've already done a withdrawal of 3.8, that is the reason why you're having 0.00 USDT. All right, so if you have any amount you can be able to withdraw, you will be seeing your withdrawable balance here. All right, now the next thing you have to do is to type inside here the amount you would want to withdraw. All right, and then paste in your USDT wallet address. I've already withdrawn, that's the reason why you are seeing this USDT wallet address. The next thing you have to do is to type in your password and then go ahead to click on confirm. Within some seconds, you are going to get your money right straight into your wallet. All right, so this doesn't take any single thing. So the next time I'm going to be uploading a video, I'm going to be making a live withdrawal. In order to witness this live withdrawal, do well to click the like button of this video right now, click on the subscription button in order to subscribe, turn on the bell notification, so once I post the video, YouTube is going to notify you and you're going to witness the live withdrawal. If you have gotten to this extent, click the like button to let me know you've gotten to this extent, and then comment any question you have in the comment section and I will surely attend to that. All right, now do it to click the link I'll be leaving in the description of this video to get registered and start earning money for yourself. Remember, I created a new WhatsApp group and Telegram channel, and remember what I do in this Telegram channel and WhatsApp group is to upload various ways, strategies, methods you can be able to earn a whole lot of money online. So use the link I'll be dropping in the description of this video and also in the comment section to join this WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. All right, keep winning and always remember that Leo loves you. Peace.